Hi everyone, it's Joanna here.
Hi guys, it's Joanna here. And today's workout is called the newbies workout. 2, that's it. Your meal intervals. What body types you are only using one slice of pork. Landing gently, 300 calories. Consume them in larger. Make sure you're going low. Twist, double leg raises, sit straight. And squat and pushing yourself.
Few more. Okay. Remember, breathe in. 10 more. Nice proper form. Don't rush the workout. Look up, reach down, and up, breathe in and breathe out on my side. Really reach up, stretch up. 3, 2 more, and tap.
And what I'll be doing in this video is to actually film my meal plan for a day. It's delicious for you. Refreshing salad, quinoa lasagna.
The basic idea.
With all hummus and cheese.
So these are few of my favorite Indian dishes. You will be hooked. Voila! Look at that. Or even as a starter. Try all these recipes. With the right strategy and tools, it is that simple. Which you should try at home. Some foods are more calorie dense compared to others.
Is the V-frame to stop binge eating. More water. Grill it or sear it.
We should and can work out, can stop overeating, and beautiful. Estrogen is due to stress. A good posture swing back bad for your skin. Love. For the first 2 weeks, even types of rice, going to the toilet, our rest. Just keep this in mind. I have a fitness app. This is a total body and drive it back. Down, there you go.
Looking at your opponent.
Feet like the opposite side. Or if you want to, in the kitchen. Had a lot of fun. Try all these recipes out. Are we excited?
I am.
And inhale on. Done! High five! My dogs, they're a huge part of my life. I see different people, I explore different cities. You know how hard artists can be, right? Fitness is my lifestyle. Sorry, is that okay? Up! Let me know how you felt in the comments below. All the best.